Hello friends. See, the power of human being is the thinking ability, the power of concentration, control attention. That really defines a human being. A wise person always think first, then he speaks. A wise person always think very carefully, analyze the pros and cons of his thought and action, then only he acts. That way he prevents a lot of misery, sorrow, suffering, grief and pain. And then he is called a wise man, a divine man, because his every thought, word and action is well guided by wisdom and intelligence, and he never commits any mistakes and crimes, and so he is enjoying a very perfect, peaceful, happy life. On the contrary, the person who never uses the power of mind, never thinks, and does everything irresponsibly, without thinking, he speaks, acts, and does every stupid thing which you can expect from a beast, he really lands his misery. Here is an example. This is the entrance gate, parking gate of Dr. Vandana Jha and Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, he also known as Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi. You see, the gate is there, and Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, he is just coming in his Honda Jazz, you will see within a few minutes, and a cow is grazing just in front of the gate. Now see what is happening. I tell you the story. When Dr. B.K. Chaudhary arrives at the gate, his domestic helper comes. She tried to open the gate so that the car can be parked inside the garage. But Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, as he stays in the forest of Narni city, he has very ferocious and very, very aggressive dogs, Rottweiler called Mongo, and Doberman called Faith, and an Indian dog called Kaju. So the moment that Amma is opening the gate, I trusted my pets. I thought they will not do any nonsense. But see what is happening. The pets become wild and started attacking the people around it, particularly the cow, which is in the focus of this camera, and it is worth 2 lakh rupees cow, belongs to one of the guard of this place. So it was a big challenge for me. The dog does not become loyal to me, rather it becomes very aggressive and violent. I have to prevent the onslaught on that cow because it can be a miserable thing for me. I tried my best to prevent the dog from biting the cow because Doberman has greatest bite force. Their jaws are so powerful that they can crush the bones and take away all the flesh. I know the power of Doberman, so I was very much scared. So I tried my best to catch that dog by the collar or by the legs, rear legs, because that I have learned when dogs are aggressive, simply you have to take both the rear legs, pull them up, and you see very soon I will be arriving there, and then whole drama will unfold itself. Very painful. In this struggle I fell down, you will see in the picture, and I got 10 stitches on the left side of my knee, which you can see here also. It is bandage. It is a big bandage. And now you see Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, the Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, is arriving in his Yogi Nivas. Now his idea is to park the car in the garage. So he is reversing his car and positioning it, and the domestic helper, very loyal lady, respectable mother, she will be arriving there at the gate to open it. And there are 2 gates. You see there is one a small gate facing towards east, another is facing towards north. Now the dogs have come and Mama is also coming. Dogs will instantly come the moment anybody comes. Now she's telling, see now Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, he is in a dilemma whether to open the gate with the dogs let loose But he trusted the dogs because cow was in front of it. Now see what is happening. These dogs become wild and they attack the cow. Now see how miserable and how pathetic scene is here. This speaker is Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. The dogs are barking violently at the cow, and that big Doberman is trying to attack the cow, and that, see, the cow and the dog, how it is trying. Now it fell down, you can see. You see how badly I fell down. How badly I fell down. I'm trying still to catch that dog, and the dog is not in my control. It is wild. I'm putting my best. The cow is afraid but is still trying to defend itself. Now the scene, what is happening here. A miserable and pathetic scene. The man, there are so many people here who surround my house just for no reason. Nani city is a huge, huge area, 25 square kilometers, but they love the place I am. And see the fight is going on, you are not able to see in the camera. This Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi is putting his best to pull the dog away from the cow. You have already seen the struggle. I have fallen down, my knees torn apart, and it is delayed because I am trying to pull the dog away from the cow. Now I have caught the dog, and see, I'm pulling it. I'm trying to keep it inside the gate. And catching my left knee with my hand because the skin has been torn apart. This is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. And you see the miseries of the left leg. This video will really educate the people who trust the dogs, because these dogs are not trustworthy. They never think, they do everything foolishly without any thinking. Still the dogs are very much disturbed because Rottweilers are very dangerous dogs. Thanks God, I could save the cow at the cost of my own health. My knee is cut very badly. I'm not able to walk also, you can see. Now I'm going out of the sight. Thank you, viewers.